Those individual storms are one of the harder connections to make, but confidence is growing overall that several weather events are responding to a changing climate. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has concluded that the climate is changing both from natural and human causes, and the support for this only continues to increase. This has long been observed by going back through hundreds of thousands of years of ice core data that shows a dramatic uptick in the amount of CO2 in a short period of time since industrialization. And CO2's warming greenhouse properties have been known since the 20th century. We can now also run weather models retroactively to simulate the past atmosphere, and these models can only arrive at today's present conditions by including human-induced warming of the environment. But there's a wide range of ways that the climate is changing with varying levels of confidence on how much connection we can make to certain events. I spoke with Dr. Anthony Lupo at the University of Missouri, a published researcher on climate change for decades, for more about how confidence has grown when connecting things to climate change. What are some of those most obvious signs of that changing climate?
Well, the obvious signs for changing climate have to do with longer-term trends. And you can see those trends. We've been getting winters that have been warmer, and we've been having summers that have been fairly steady or even cool, but they've gotten more humid.
While shifts in temperatures and precipitation patterns are more of a certainty, this confidence drops for isolated events like storms or tropical systems.
There's more confidence, of course, with temperature trends, but things like severe weather, which are local occurrences anyway, there's a little less confidence. But there are some changes that you would expect over the long term.
One thing we are growing more confident about is the increase in extreme precipitation events, and that could be something we're seeing here in the spring season. Reporting for tonight's ABC 17 Storm Track Climate Matters, I'm meteorologist Nate Splater.